This next card is quick and easy. We've got a crumb cake card base. We've also got a 4 by 5¼ inch layer, and this has been embossed in the timber embossing folder. So I'm just going to, again, add that glue all the way around that outside edge so I don't get any rippling. We're gonna put that right on our card front. I love the look of this timber folder. I just think it's really cool. Great for masculine cards, perfect for this type of Christmas stamp set. Then I'm gonna bring in a white scrap and we're going to stamp the Have a Holly Jolly Christmas. I'm going to be die cutting this with this label, but I want to push it all the way that way so I have a little extra room over here. Then I've got a scrap of crumb cake. You've got 2 different pine cones here. One is bigger and one is smaller. This one's a little more bold and this one is a little more detailed. So the bigger one is going to go in crumb cake ink, and we're going to stamp a pine cone on our scrap of crumb cake. The smaller stamp that has more detail is going to go in the soft suede ink, and you're going to stamp that, and then we're going to die cut it with a pine cone die. And then before we go to our machine, we're going to take our Pear Pizzazz ink and we're going to stamp on our Pear Pizzazz scrap a couple of these pine sprigs. And then of course there's a die for those. So I'm gonna run over to my machine and get this cleaned up. Oh, I might use that again. We'll see what we do to the inside. I'll be right back. Okay, now we are ready to start assembling our card. I'm gonna grab my dimensionals and I'm going to put some dimensionals on the back of my tag. I kind of left my dimensional over here a little bit further, not way out to the edge, because we're gonna tuck those pine bows underneath it. I'm gonna bring it right over here. And let's see, I'm gonna put about a mini dimensional down here at the tip of my pine cone, and then a little bit of glue at the wider base, because this is gonna go on our label here, just like this. And then we're gonna take these and tuck them in underneath. And that's why I left that dimensional off there, you know, so that it wasn't so close to the edge, so it doesn't interfere with me tucking these little pine bows in here. And let's bring in our wonderful gems. I think I'm going to use another little one because you don't want to kind of take over your whole label. Very quick and easy, right? So now on the inside, I'm going to do the Friends Like You Make the Season Special. And I'm going to stamp that with the red. I broke my golden rule never to put your card together till you're done stamping all your things. And I think the other thing I'd like to use is that these little pine bows. I thought they would look nice right here. So I'm going to grab my Pear Pizzazz and I'm going to put them right down here. Oh, that looks nice. Okay, you guys, there is your next card.